Hi. I've been practicing piking up to handstand. I will share a little bit of method that it's been helping me. Piking's been a little challenging for me to engage in armpit and the chest. It's much easier if you use a block or the strap. And the one I've been practicing, I just showed you, instead of a piking with both legs, when you pull one leg into, so it's like a half straddle instead of a full straddle, pulling this leg in, the bent knee side, what you do is like a sort of doing abdominal nowly motion. You pull this both sides of the abdominal up, piking high by leg help, then kick the other leg to pike. That's been working for me. If you have quite a strength going up and your arm is a little weaker, this helps me to stabilize your shoulder and armpit connection. Once you have fold one leg, pull this leg up. So up and pike, push up on it. And then you can go up with one leg and coming down. That's been helping me with the piking. One thing that once you start piking, it helps you start pushing, motion of pushing away from the wrist bone all the way to armpit straightening. That will actually show it to you in the next video.